Download using wget command from go.dev. I'm going to install Golang. Extract under user local bin. So why Go for NLP stuff? Because I wasn't happy with the Python in terms of speed. And why not Rust, right? I've been doing a lot of Rust. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to use Rust for system programming, and Go for NLP part, except some important libraries from Python like a Spacey. So this part I'm still gonna have to figure it out, how to incorporate Python to Go, and then with Rust for systems. Okay, now need to set environment path variable under dot profile. Now I'm going to install TinyGo. TinyGo is the compiler that can compile Go code to WASM. It's a WebAssembly. You can also use this to compile for microcontrollers and embedded systems. Git clone TinyGo. Click install. Okay, node not found, Go not found. Install node using apt install node. Okay, still not working. Install GCC on Linux. Okay, going to download the Debian package, and I'm going to install using that package. Sudo dpkg-i and the TinyGo package. Built-in Linux screen recorder is quite crappy. Let's check and see if TinyGo is working. Okay, it is working. Okay, now write hello world in Go language to test it out. Go run hello.go. Okay. Clear, and let's do the TinyGo build. -o for output, hello.wasm, and hello.go. Okay. Need to change the version. Needs the 1.21. We're gonna use the GVM, the Go version manager to fix this issue. Okay, project repo on GitHub. Gonna have to install first install Bison. Sudo apt install Bison. Yes. Okay, now I need to install a GVM. Okay. Now we need to restart terminal. Or source it. GVM script. Okay. Now we should be able to install 1.21 using GVM install. Okay, done. Now we need to do GVM use. Go 1.21. Okay, now using Go 1.21 should be able to build it. Okay. Now let's run a Python web server and see if we can access it. Port 8080. Okay, let's go to web browser, HTTP localhost 8080. Oh, we need a HTML page. Here is the HTML with the hello.wasm, and should be able to see the message on the the header message. Okay, here hello WASM. Here's our WASM app, WebAssembly app. Let's